Days 4, 5, and 6 of eating the things I meal prepped last Sunday. I only had a few snacks I needed to finish off, so that's what I did on Thursday and Friday. Then I remembered I still had one portion of cooked chicken left in the fridge, so I just chucked it into my lunch on Saturday. Now, let's take a look at my trusty fridge whiteboard. Woohoo! A perfect score! Thank you so much for watching this week and let me know if you'd like to see more. Okay, bye!